In March 1521, Ferdinand Magellan arrived in the island of Limasawa at the tip of southern Leyte. He was accompanied by Spanish missionaries who then held what historians believe to be the first Mass on Philippine soil. Days later, Magellan and his men sailed to the neighboring island of Cebu, where they were met by the island chieftain Raja Humabon. On April 14, 1521, Humabon and his wife Queen Juana embraced the Catholic faith along with their subjects, and an estimated 800 Cebuanos were baptized. The year 1521 marked the birth of Christianity in Asia.
For centuries, the people, inhabitants of the Philippines or the islands, they did not know anything about Christ. But it was on that year, 1521, that they first came to know Christianity through the Spanish colonizers.
It will be 5 centuries from that historic day, come 2021.
500 years we have been living as a nation under Christ. It's very important for us to understand, to know who Christ is and the teachings of Christ, especially in our contemporary world we're living.
As part of preparations for the celebration, the Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines, or CBCP, embarked on a 9-year evangelization program beginning last 2013. The program is based on CBCP's 9 major pastoral priorities.
Formation is an important dimension of this celebration. The last 3 years, starting this year until 2021, will be an intensive catechetical formation program in our local churches. There are modules, talks and topics prepared by the Episcopal Commission on Catechesis and Catholic Education, and these are sent now to the dioceses, and it's up to the local churches on how to implement this in their parishes.
In Cebu, the Archdiocesan Commission on the Laity launched Pagsangyaw 2021, a massive, extensive, and creative evangelization program meant to deepen the people's Catholic faith.
Knowing that we are being associated with the cradle of Christian civilization, we feel the need to show our wholehearted collaboration with the programs of the CBCP, but we thought we need to do a little bit more. Pagsangyaw 2021 or Evangelization 2021. This is the initiative, above all, by the Commission on the Laity, through the guidance and direction of the parish priest.
Be a part of this evangelization program. If we want change in our society, this can be done not by a single individual, but by every person. Our Christian faith offers many wonderful ideas and directions on how to live a meaningful life despite the many challenges and problems that we are facing every day.
Pagsangyaw 2021 encourages the lay to share faith experiences in their parishes and to put Christ's teachings into action through community service.
Faith and the love of God and Jesus Christ and the church and the gift of life, how we become to recharge, appreciative of the Eucharist, being true devotees of Mary, knowing how to strengthen our families, the challenge for the youth, the religious, the clergy, the laity, empowerment. All of these various themes, we believe, should be reflected upon. That as we deepen our realization of how God reveals His love to us, then hopefully we would become grateful and enthusiastic to share the gift that we have received.
Palma called on all parishes in Cebu to support the lay initiative.
It should be launched in every parish. People should be able to hear about this at every Mass. It is our prayer and our belief that after 3 years, changes would be seen. Pagsangyaw 2021 certainly has made the people aware the challenge to us, priests, laity, youth, to give our best and to become our best for the sake of a better community, a better church, and a better tomorrow.
Be involved, express your faith, and share the gift of faith.